Hi, I'm Margie Stewart. I'm one of the automotive instructors here at CVTC. I'd like to talk to you about checking your oil level. It's becoming more important these days as we go longer and longer between oil changes. We used to go 3,000 miles. Now they're as much as 7,000 and 10,000 miles between oil changes. So checking your oil level is extremely important. So I'm going to reach in here, grab the dipstick out, and check the level. Notice when I pull the dipstick out, I want to make sure that it's nice and level as I check the fluid level. First time through, I wipe it off, making sure that dipstick is nice and clean. Then I'm going to reinsert it. Make sure it goes all the way down in the tube. Pull it back out. Maintain a nice and level dipstick, and then check the level where it is exactly on the dipstick. If it's in the safe mark, you're good to go. If it's in the add mark, you're going to want to add engine oil. We'll find the engine oil cover, and we'll make sure that we put the proper type and weight oil inside the vehicle. If you have any questions on the automotive program, feel free to visit our website at cvtc.edu.